Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. This is a quick, concise video how to measure your chlorine level from your water. And I'm doing this with my tap water. This is a kit that I bought from Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description for a water test kit. And actually I bought this from Turbo Free Pool, but I'm gonna put a link from Amazon. This is the content of it. This is the main part of this kit. It's a tailored residential test kit. This is industry standard, and this is what you want to get. All right, so let's get to measuring the chlorine. First thing you're gonna do is get 10 milliliter of water into a container like this. I'm using this Taylor Speed Stir, which is very useful because it will be able to stir the water quickly when I put this in. Magnetically, it will just spin it. If you don't have one, then you can just swirl it yourself. So after you add the 10 milliliter, you're going to get this powder. This is called the DPD powder, R0870. You're going to scoop out very little of this powder. This is called a heaping scoop, and I'm just going to scrape and scoop. That's not quite one, so I'm gonna add another one. So I'm supposed to add 1 scoop. That's probably a little bit too much. Okay, it doesn't have to be super precise. All right, so once I added that scoop, you'll notice that the water turns pink. If your water does not turn pink, that means you don't have any chlorine, and you don't need to go on measuring your chlorine level. You have no chlorine in your water. So since mine turns pink, that means I have chlorine. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this in. Now, we're gonna need to go to the next step, which is going to count how many drop of this. I'm gonna start dropping this. Turn this on so that it starts stirring. And I'm gonna open this one and shake it first. This is the R0871. And the number of drop is really important here because we're going to divide that by 2, and that's gonna be the level that you will have. So when dropping, you gotta make sure that your container is completely straight so that you can clearly see the drop. So we're gonna count 1, 2, and we're gonna pause and see. It's still a little bit pink. It's not 100% clear. So I'm gonna add the 3rd drop. There you go. And now it's completely clear. So it took 3 drops for my water to be clear, and the formula is you just divide that by 2. So 3 divided by 2 is 1.5, which means that I have 1.5 parts per million chlorine level in my tap water. If you want to, you can stop here and you got your chlorine level, or you can continue to get what is called combined chlorine. And to get combined chlorine out of this, you would want to repeat. You would want a reagent. So you're going to use this, and you're going to drop 5 drops, and it's going to turn it back to pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now that should have turned to pink if you have combined chlorine. Mine did not turn pink. That means I don't have any combined chlorine, so therefore I don't really need to continue measuring it. If it did turn pink for you, then you repeat the same process. You drop however many drop you need of the R0871 until it's clear, and then you divide that by 2. Then you have your combined chlorine level using that second test. That's it. So it's that simple. I hope you find this useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.